So in today's quick tip video, I want to talk about some weed control. This video is aimed at a different audience who wants to just get rid of a few different things and find a way to do it without damaging your current lawn. So I have a few patches of clover in my lawn. They stick out like a sore thumb, and I had just a couple of areas where I saw some crabgrass coming in along the edges of my yard. So I wanted to show you the results of what I sprayed on those things. So I did a mixture of Speedzone and DriveXLR8. Now these two products are not something you're typically going to find in any big box store like Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. So if you wanted to start off with something you can find in a store, I would start off with something like this, like a Weed B Gone with crabgrass control product in it, or there's also a Weed B Gone that's specific for clover. That has triclopyr in it, this one has quinclorac in it. The rates are a little bit more tamed down for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner to spraying anything, then I would probably look at a product like this. It's cheap. The only thing is that you have to make sure you get good even coverage, you don't go too heavy, and also you may have to do another application if it doesn't get rid of everything on the first try. For the most part though, these more professional products like Drive and Speedzone or Tenacity, those products are going to have a lot better control, but they're also a lot stronger, so you need to make sure you know how to use these products. So if you already happen to have Tenacity, you can use that, but I would not use it alone. It doesn't work so well on clover or crabgrass as the only thing in the tank. So that's why I mix the Drive in there, or I had some Speedzone available here, and that has a good mixture of different products in there to give me broader control. Mix that with the Drive, and then also make sure you add some sort of surfactant that's going to give you coating over the weeds. That's where I used methylated seed oil to mix with this mixture here, and it did a great job for me. Now when you're spraying, you don't want to be drenching, you don't want to be too close to the ground. You want a nice even mist over those weeds so you get a good coating on all of them, but you're not going too heavy so you're going to damage the lawn. Don't spray in the absolute heat of the day. Make sure you have good conditions and read all label warnings for temperatures. If your yard is already really stressed out or dormant, I wouldn't consider spraying this stuff right now. You're going to have to wait until you're not going to do any damage on that already dormant or stressed turf. So that's today's quick tip on getting rid of clover and crabgrass. Hope that helped you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.